Shukto, a popular vegetable delicacy in Bengali cuisine, is part of the traditional main course of the lunch menu as a starter. Shukto is almost inevitable in the lunch menu of ceremonies like first rice ceremony, thread ceremony, marriage ceremony, and death ceremony. It even forms part of a normal Delhi lunch course. There is a contradiction about the origin of Shukto and forming part of the Bengali lunch menu. Some sources say that the addition of Shukto in the Bengali lunch course is because of the medicinal values of the vegetables and especially of bitter gourd mentioned in the Ayurveda. Shukto became a popular dish in Bengal during the reigns and glory of the kingdoms of Anga, Vanga, and Kalinga. The mention of Shukto is also found in the Mangal Kavya and the biographies of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as well. Some other sources say that Shukto came into Bengal with the Portuguese colonization. With the advent of time, Shukto was improvised with the addition of ingredients like milk, bori, mustard paste, and mustard oil. Milk or Dudh Shukto is a famous variant where milk diminishes the bitter taste of the gourd, which is the inevitable ingredient of the dish. Shukto, till date, remains a popular starter of a traditional Bengali lunch and is adored and revered by Bengali food lovers. Mindspiration takes the opportunity of paying tribute to Bengal's cuisine and food delicacy. To start with, fry the bori in hot mustard oil. Fry them until they turn brownish and crispy. Now, in the same oil, add red dried chilies, bay leaves, and pachforam, which is a combination of 5 spices. Fry them well. To the fried spices, add the vegetables one by one and stir them so that they mix well and fry. After a while, add ginger, mustard, and poppy seed pastes. Also add salt as per taste and sugar. Stir and mix all the ingredients well. Add milk and mix well with all the ingredients. Now, add the fried bitter gourd, which was fried and kept separately. After a while, add water. Stir well and then cover the frying pan. Allow the vegetables to cook well so that they soften. Add ghee and mix well with the curry. This will enhance the taste and add an aroma to the curry. Shukto is now ready. Take it out in a serving bowl and garnish with bori from top. Bengal's very own Shukto. Serve and savor the taste and relish the traditional dish of Bengal. Thank you for watching.